Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Why is it today our lecture about chapter 14? Review exercise. We have to discuss question number 5, 6 and 7 of class 9. In this lecture, question number 4. In the question number 4, there is a diagram given, right? So we have to draw the diagram. This diagram in this shape, PQR is a triangle, right? In which a line which is AB, and this line is AB parallel to the QR, it is given, and in the question is given that PA is equal to 8, PA that is equal to 8x minus 7, 8x minus 7, PB that is equal to 4x minus 3, and AQ that is equal to 5x minus 3, and BR that is equal to 3x minus 1, and we have to find out the value of x, right? So my here PA that is equal to 8x minus 7, my here B that is equal to side 4x minus 3, my here AQ that is equal to 5x minus 3, and my here BR that is equal to 3x minus 1. We have to find out the value of x for this purpose, and also and AB on the one side is parallel to the QR, right? The line segment AB is parallel to the QR. So as we know that the ratio of this, we know the ratio of my here PA over my here AQ must be equal to the ratio of my here PB over my here BR, right? This ratio will be equal. So just put the values of 8x minus 7 over 5x minus 3, that is equal to 4x minus 3 over 3x minus 1. Now just we take a cross multiplication and we get 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1, that is equal to 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3, right? Get the product, just multiply both sides. We get 24x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 21, that is equal to 20x square minus 12x minus 15x plus 9. I changing the sides. 24x square minus 20x square minus 8 and minus 21, it will give you minus 29x, and minus 12 and minus 15, it will give you minus 27. So whenever we take this value toward the left hand side, we obtain plus 27x, and the next one is plus 21 minus 9, this will equal to 0, and we obtain we get the value 4x square minus 2x. 21 minus 9, it will give you 12. Am I right? 12 plus 9, that is 21. So we get plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Now taking 2 as a common in both value, we get x 2x square minus x and plus 6, that is equal to 0. 2x square minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. Whenever we divide both sides by 2, we get 0. And now taking a midterm break of this value, 6 2s are 12. What we will get on this? Just I am checking that have we done a right or not. Minus 2x, right? Is it right? And 21 minus 10, it will give you the 11. It is 9, so it is 12. So I think we are right. No. Just a minute, boys. Minus 1, it will give you the 7, not a 21. 7 minus 7 into 1, it will give you plus 7. So whenever we have this is plus 7, then it is equal to minus 2, right? So we get value minus 1. Yes, no, it is right. So minus 7 into minus 1, it will give you the plus 7, and minus 3 into minus 3, it will give you plus 9, and we get minus 2 values after simplification. And no, it is equal to minus 2. Minus 2, it's mean that 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1, it will give you equal to 0. 2x as a common, x minus 1 and plus 1 as a common, x minus 1, that is equal to 0. It will give you x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and this implies that x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. These are the two required values for the value of x, right? Okay guys, now this is the value of x that we have required to find out. Now about the question number 5. Now we will solve question number 5 on the same exercise review 14. In this question, he gave a triangle LMN, and he gives us that the LA is line segment which bisect MN in such a ratio that the ratio of LN is equal to ratio of MA into A, and this is a theorem, and this was a theorem, I think 14.1.3, I think so, it was a theorem. So according to that theorem, whenever a line segment from a vertex opposite intersect the side opposite to it in such a ratio that its ratio is equal to the angle containing that angles, right? Ratio containing that angle. So according to that ratio, in this question, we have given Ln, that is Ln 4 cm, Lm 6 cm, Mn 8 cm, and we have supposed that Ma is equal to x because we have to find out Ma and An. So An will be 8 minus x. So as we know that Ma over Na, this was the ratio, Ma over An, right? This ratio is equal to the angle containing the sides, angle containing the sides Lm and Ln. So that is Lm over L. Just we remember this value, this ratio, whenever we have remind this. If we have remember this, then definitely it is easy to solve us for this question. So Ma, that is equal to x, x over 8 minus x is equal to 6 over 4. With the help of cross multiplication, we get 4x is equal to 6 into 8 minus x. 6 8 are 48, 48 minus 6x. Whenever we move this 6x toward the left hand side, we obtain 4x plus 6x. It gives you 10x. 10x is equal to 48. Now dividing both sides by 10, we get x is equal to 4.8. And to find out, that is to find out the value of An, that is 8 minus x. So just put the value of x here, 8 minus 4.8. It will give you An, that is equal to 3.8, 3.2, which is our required answer. So guys, this question number 5 you can solve it with the help of theorem 14.1.3. Okay guys, now the question number 6, right, of review exercise chapter 14. In isosceles triangle PQR shown in the figure, as shown in the figure, look at this, right? We have to find the value of unknown x and y, right? Since it is an isosceles triangle, that's why PQ and PR both be equal. So I write that this PQR is an isosceles triangle, so PQ is equal to PR. That's why 10 is equal to x. This implies that x is equal to 10 centimeters. It was a very easy question, boys. Now since as it is a isosceles triangle, so whenever the angle it show that PM is perpendicular, right? This angle is 90, so PM is perpendicular to QR. So whenever a line which is perpendicular to the third side, it in a isosceles triangle, it bisect the angle, also bisect the sides. So that's why QM must be equal to MR. So we write Meyer QM is equal to Meyer QM equal to Meyer MR. It means that 6 cm is equal to Y, and this implies that Y is equal to 6 cm. But this was our question 4, 5 and 6. I tried to solve it in a short time. Hope so you will understand it. Wish you best of luck, guys. Allah Hafiz.